What is the most common problem, in your opinion, that you find when you go out to service a system that is not working, let's say in the summertime? And then I'd like to ask the same question in the winter.
So, great question, by the way.
Okay.
So I actually just posted a video about a month ago on our Facebook page
Okay.
of what the most common thing is. And I showed a video of how a customer can correct it themselves so to save them some money and obviously time with us not having to go out there.
Yep.
Clogged drain lines.
Oh, yes.
As the AC runs, it condensates. That's the humidity being removed from your house.
Yep.
If that PVC pipe gets clogged, it overflows into your drain pan. There should be a float switch on said drain pan. That'll turn the system off. And it's extremely simple to flush the drain line. You can do it in 3 minutes. My 70-year-old mother could do it.
Okay.
Easily with a water hose.
The condensation line actually runs outside of the home, and so it deposits water, typically fairly near where the exterior, condenser compressors are. And so
Yes,
are
sir.
you hooking a hose up to the outside and blowing it in, or are you taking a hose to the inside and starting closest to the system and blowing it out that way?
Outside the home is 9 times out of 10. I mean, obviously you got to look and make sure there's no T's with a cap missing or something like that. You don't want water rushing into your attic.
Oh, right.
But just put the hose up against the PVC pipe outside. Use your hand as like a gasket, so to speak.
Yep.
And just count to 5 and release and watch what comes out of it. And do that. You just continue to process till it's clear water.
Oh, so you're just running water up. You maybe the first time 10 feet and letting it run back out. Then you run it up 20 feet. Okay, got it. What would somebody, if their heat stopped working, what would be the most common thing that you would find during the winter?
If it's a gas furnace, really dirty filter,
Yeah.
probably. That or an igniter. It's typically on gas systems, it's something minor.
Change that filter. And then the igniter, 'cause they're electronic today, right? So it's like a computer board going bad, right? When you're the system that
Some
ignites
are.
it, or no? Some are. Okay.
Yeah. A lot are. Some are just glow plugs, basically.
What schedule should I follow for maintenance? Should I have the system maintained before we go into the summer months and then before we go into the fall and winter? Is that how we do it?
Yes, sir. We call it spring maintenance for AC and fall maintenance for heat.
Got it. And then if I wanted to have, for example, like a maintenance contract, an annual contract, could I pay for it annually and then you guys would just come out twice during the year to take care of that?
100%.
Got it. And how does that, I know it's probably different, but how much would it cost for 3 systems?
Open book across the board. I don't care where you are. If you're in our area, it's $180 for the first system, $100 for each additional system.
Okay.
And that's good for 2 spring visit and fall visit.
So I'm $380 and have everything fully serviced. I think I will be calling you back sometime this week to get that set up for my home because I'm in your service area and I really like that.